Hello friends, I am going to talk about cycling and back pain. As I am a cyclist and मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि what all things can really contribute to back pain. Those who are amateur cyclists or those who are riding very small distance of cycle, I think most of the time they will enjoy cycling. But when you try to become more pro or you do a long distance cycling, that is when the problem comes. First, we need to understand if you're using a road bike or a city bike, what normally we call as a hybrid bike for long distance. Two areas are important as the neck and lower back. ये दोनों जगह पे सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन आ सकता है. दैट लीड्स टू लोअर बैक पेन एंड नेक पेन बिकॉज साइकिलिंग में आपका एटीट्यूड काफ़ी एरोडायनेमिकली डिफरेंट रह सकता है इफ़ यू आर डूइंग 60, 80, 100, 200 किलोमीटर साइकिलिंग. एंड दैट इज़ वेयर हमें ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि ये मसल्स में क्या समस्या हो सकती है, हमारा पोस्चर क्यों चेंज हो सकता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत कॉमन समस्या है. मैं काफ़ी साइकिलिस्ट पेशेंट्स को देखता हूँ. एंड नॉर्मली इफ़ यू आर राइडिंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है टू अवॉइड पॉटहोल्स, बैड रोड्स and the speed breakers which come in your way. Whenever there is a bad road or pothole, try to avoid your constant sitting on the seat. You can just slightly get up from the seat so that direct impact will not come on the lower back. Tire pressures are also very, very important, friends, because if there are tire pressures are not good, you can have a lot of impact on your lower back, and that's something which is very, very commonly seen in cyclists. And also if you're riding long distance, you're using the gears appropriately and you are constantly bending in a road bike, your neck and trunk angle is very, very different and you are mostly in extension to see in front, सामने देखने की प्रयत्न कर रहे हैं, and that can lead to soreness of the neck, soreness of the buttocks, and that can contribute to pain. So the best thing is get out where at certain time, 30-40 minutes or an hour, stretch for 1-2 minutes, drink a little bit of water, electrolytes or something, eat something, and hydrate yourself, and again cycle. Before and after cycle also you must stretch yourself, and before planning for a longer ride you should do regular activities for couple of weeks so that your core become very strong and posture will give you help when you are propelling. Cycling is a sport where the lower body is propelling and upper body is mainly for balancing. Stay cycling and be safe. Never forget to use your helmet. Thank you.